Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to leave and join groups on Roblox. So first, you want to open your browser, then search for roblox.com, and then if you have an account, just click login. Then if you don't have one, just click sign up. Then after that, you want to click groups. So you can see here on the options on the left side of your screen, it is the 3 people icon. And then after that, these are all the groups that exist on Roblox. So as you can see, there are a lot of categories. So for example, experience studios, building, role-playing, fun. So for example, you have a particular group that you want, so you can search that in here on the search bar. Then for example, just want to join this group on the role-playing category. So for example, this one, you just want to click on that group and then click join group. And then there you have it. You are successfully joined the group. But if you want to leave the group, you just want to click these 3 little dots on the upper right side of the name of the group, and then click leave group, and then click yes. Then that's it. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.